Welcome to the world of knowledge.
Today we'll take you on a journey across 50 of the world's most famous bridges. From ancient stone marvels to modern engineering wonders, you'll learn when they were built, how long they are, and what makes each bridge special, all in simple English and Urdu. So let's begin our bridge adventure.
Golden Gate Bridge, USA, built 1937. Length 2,737 meters, 8,981 feet, one of the most famous suspension bridges in the world, connecting San Francisco to Marin County.
Brooklyn Bridge, USA, built 1883. Length 1,834 meters, 5,989 feet. First steel wire suspension bridge, connecting Manhattan and Brooklyn.
Built 1894. Length 244 meters, 800 feet. English, a London icon with twin towers and a lifting drawbridge. London Bridge, UK. London Bridge, UK, built 1973. Current version, length 269 meters, 882 feet. Many bridges have existed here. The old one was moved to Arizona. Sydney Harbour Bridge, Australia. Sydney Harbour Bridge, Australia, built 1932. Length 1,149 meters, 3,770 feet. Famous for its giant steel arch, nicknamed the coat hanger.
Ponte Vecchio, Italy.
Ponte Vecchio, Italy, built 1345. Length 95 meters, 312 feet. A medieval bridge in Florence with shops built on it.
Rialto Bridge, Italy.
Rialto Bridge, Italy, built 1591. Length 48 meters, 157 feet. The oldest bridge over Venice's Grand Canal. Charles Bridge, Czech Republic. Charles Bridge, Czech Republic, built 1357 to 1402. Length 516 meters, 1,693 feet. English, historic stone bridge in Prague decorated with statues. Millau Viaduct, France. Millau Viaduct, France, built 2004. Length 2,460 meters, 8,070 feet. The tallest bridge in the world, taller than the Eiffel Tower. Pont du Gard, France. Pont du Gard, France, built 1st century AD, Roman, length 275 meters, 902 feet. An ancient Roman aqueduct bridge still standing strong. Akashi Kaikya Bridge, Japan. Akashi Kaikya Bridge, Japan, built 1998. Length 3,911 meters, 12,831 feet. The world's longest suspension bridge, spanning the Akashi Strait. Rainbow Bridge, Japan. Rainbow Bridge, Japan, built 1993. Length 798 meters, 2,618 feet. A beautiful illuminated bridge in Tokyo Bay. Bosphorus Bridge, Turkey. Bosphorus Bridge in Turkey opened in 1973 and is 1,560 meters long. It connects Europe and Asia over the Bosphorus Strait. Galata Bridge, Turkey. Galata Bridge, Turkey, built 1994. Current version, length 490 meters, 1,610 feet. Historic bridge in Istanbul famous for its views and fishermen. Forth Bridge, Scotland. Forth Bridge, Scotland, built 1890. Length 2,467 meters, 8,094 feet. A UNESCO World Heritage Railway Bridge. Rainbow Bridge. Rainbow Bridge in Tokyo opened in 1993. It's 798 meters long and famous for its colorful night lights. Orsun Bridge. Orsun Bridge. Orsun Bridge opened in 2000, stretching 7,845 meters. It connects Denmark and Sweden by road and rail. Vasco da Gama Bridge. Vasco da Gama Bridge. Vasco da Gama Bridge in Portugal opened in 1998. At 12,345 meters, it's It's Europe's longest bridge.
Starry Most. Starry Most. Starry Most in Bosnia and Herzegovina was built in 1566 and rebuilt in 2004. It's 29 meters long and a symbol of peace.
Chain Bridge. Chain Bridge. Chain Bridge in Hungary opened in 1849. It's 375 meters long and the first permanent bridge across the Danube in Budapest. Széchenyi Chain Bridge. Széchenyi Chain Bridge. Széchenyi Chain Bridge is the same bridge's full name, built to honor Count Szécheny's vision.
Thanks for watching. Which bridge did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to the World of Knowledge for more fun learning. See you in the next video. Goodbye.